Yeah, this is
What'd you say?
the last 7-venue show for Devin. So, do me a favor and make this the best freaking show we've ever had in here.
But this isn't our last Atlanta show with him. We do have a show next month at the Masquerade with him, so.
If y'all want to go to the Masquerade, hit us up. Or, who likes music? Alright, June 8th. If you're in a band in here, more than likely you're playing this. June 8th, we're playing down in Columbus, Georgia. It's 100 bands.
That's like asking if they like water.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that girl obviously likes water. 100 bands, 8 stages.
Wait, what?
Come and talk to us about it.
What was that?
You need to come and see us. What?
What was that supposed to be?
Yeah, what does that mean?
She took my water!
Oh. Whoa.
You a dirty person.
You took my water, son.
I can't see you, but you're pointing at me.
But yeah, this is my last 7-venue show, and we're gonna try to make it the best. Because this venue is the best thing that has ever happened to this band.
Just to clarify, it's his last 7-venue show.
Not ours.
Mine, Devin.
We will be back.
July 26th. We will
July 26th.
Real friends.
be back here.
Real friends, right? Whose birthday?
He'll be getting his life
Oh, she
together.
has a hedgehog.
She has a hedgehog.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start that over. She has a hedgehog, everybody.
I didn't know that was a real animal until she showed me.
Not a hedgehog. Those do not exist.
I seriously thought that was just a made-up animal for a video game.
Yeah, is he blue?
No.
Then he's not a hedgehog.
Does he run fast? Does he collect
Does he do
rings?
circles like front flips?
Does he collect rings for you?
Does he have tails as a best friend?
We're making a joke about Sonic!
Yes, Gage, bring it in.
That's for you, Savannah. Good.
John, do it. Jesse, do you have anything to say?
Don't give me the mic. Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Here. Everybody say hey to Jesse. No matter what this band says about him, he's a good guy. He's a really good guy.
It's alright.
No matter what anybody says about him.
My name's Sean. J-O-N.
Who likes to jump? Who likes to gent? Well, we're not playing that. Yeah, that's not us. I don't mind it, but
I wish that was us.
it's not us.
Yeah.
Pop punk is not dead. It's not dead. Pop punk is not dead. Hey, hold up. This has gotta be like announced. Who got the new Wonder Years album? You? Of course you did.
It is
Do it. I'm pretty sure they wouldn't mind. The new Wonder Years album is the best thing I have ever heard in my life.
You're gonna hate me for saying this?
Soupy is sad at you, but he's not sad anymore.
Saying this? I like
Hey, everybody listen to John. I'm gonna hate him for saying this.
I like the upsides more.
Then the Greatest Generation? Okay.
I do.
Okay.
I'll second that. The Upsides is probably their best album.
Exactly.
Upsides is good. Who likes the Wonder Years, period? Good talk.
Suburbia is good too. They're all good. Yeah, that show.
Stop pushing.
I know what I'm doing.
Shut up. He looks like he's about to tell something.
Can we play a show yet?
Last song.
Okay.
Alright.
We have a lot of people. Do they even have a crowd?
A lot of people here though.
Okay.
All right, somebody go in there and when they
Everyone
stop
that's in
playing.
there is the people that I've talked to that hates pop punk and won't watch our show.
Get those out there.
What?
Wonder Years will never compare to Become Glory.
What is wrong with
Your opinions on that, John? Even if it wasn't News Found Glory, Wonder Years would not be a band.
What did you just say? Thank you, Shelby!
If it was not for News Found Glory, the Wonder Years would not be a band. Yeah, because you're wrong. If you're disagreeing, you're wrong. It is what it is. It don't matter.
Hey, I'll agree with that. I'll agree with you. If it wasn't for Newfound Glory, yeah, most of these pop punk bands wouldn't exist.
Hey, Story So Far, All Time Low, that's where they got their name from. News Found Glory songs.
Well, I hate All Time Low, but
Story So Far is one of their bands.
Story So Far is.
Did I get my mic? Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah!
I was yelling this for forever.
I'm just saying, Story So Far is a News Found Glory song.
I'll agree with you if I can keep my mic on.
You know,
I like the Story So Far though. Sorry for so far.
I'm not saying they're bad bands, I'm just saying that, yeah, they
I'm just saying, you should get this.
I'll agree with you. If it wasn't for Newfound Glory, none of these pop punk bands would exist.
Hey,
If you get
no, we swear
right here,
that we are true. I still take my friends over you.
Tell your friends you're going to real friends.
What?
So, all these kids are going to girlfriends. 5%.
Yeah, hey, I'm not playing this, but these guys are, and they're amazing. July
26.
26th, they're playing with Real Friends. Real Friends. Nothing? Real Friends was awesome.
they're really nice.
Yeah, they're good people.
They're really good guys.
These kids don't understand.
He'll tell us. He'll tell us, Michael.
Hopefully, all of these people are going to
God.
show up to that.
I'm just kidding. I love you.
Playing.
They're playing here?